Hello, YouTube and Twitch. I am Eli the Fatigued. YouTube, I am streaming live over on Twitch right now. Twitch.tv/Eli the Fatigued. We're playing some more Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead. We're doing our Unwilling Mutant Chun. Um, it's the frail Unwilling Mutant. It's a slightly overpowered run, but it's really fun because we've got the Wing Chun. Anyway, sorry, that was terrible. um, Yeah. I did end up removing the EL9 mod or whatever. I just felt like I was probably never going to do anything with it. So I just removed it. There was going to be some errors. I did already load up the world to make sure it still works. And it does, thankfully. Um, but yeah. Gonna be a bunch of errors because, modding this game. The goal of this run, in case I need to remind myself or anyone else, goal of this run is to become a bird mutant Wing Chun SWAT armor. Yeah, wearing SWAT armor. Well, that'll be fun. You guys were doing Wing Chun. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna stab myself for continuing to say that. I'm sorry, guys. Kidding. I won't. I won't. I promise I won't. Um, I do have 2 new hard drives now. Instead of the one I had, I have 2 new hard drives. I'm splitting stuff between them a little bit more. Well, technically, I already had one of them, 2 terabyte. But then my fiance surprised me with a 5 terabyte to replace my old one. I ended up buying a 3.0 USB hub for those 2 external hard drives due to the fact that I only have so many USB slots in on my laptop, so I can't do my mouse and keyboard, the microphone, and both hard drives. So I got one of those 3.0 USB hubs, and it's working really well. I love it a lot. Not as much as I love my fiance though. That's for darn sure. Okay, sorry. Getting back to Cataclysm. Getting back to used to playing Cataclysm. Man, it feels like it's been a week, but it's only a couple days. Ooh, cake, cake. Oh, hold on. I just realized something that's wrong. Something is wrong. Hold on. In good borderless. Something felt off. Something still feels off. Hang on a sec. Sorry, it's the first time I've loaded up the game since I played the other day. I don't know what's going on here. Something's off. I'm sorry. That back. That was fine. Weariness, activity, weary transition, weary malice, patient, weather, lighting. Something here is off. I don't have my full text. Try this. See if that fixes it. It might be using the wrong text. Hang on. Yes, I think that's what it did. Okay, hold on, guys. I think that's what happened. Font state. Out in the fonts. Oh yeah, for some reason it got rid of my fonts. Hold on. Sorry everyone that we're doing this the video. The video will last extra long because of it. It's Terminus, Unifont, Consulate. I don't have White Rabbit. There we go. Alright, let's try this now. Why is it so small now? Hold on. I think part of the issue. Here we go. Yeah, that's part of the issue. For some reason, this reset. 1920 by 1080. Let's try this again. That should all be fixed now. Yes, there we go. Sorry, everyone. Sorry about that. For some reason, it reset a bunch of my stuff. I haven't even updated it. I don't know why. It would do that. Okay, that looks more correct. Thank you guys for sticking through that with me. And tomatoes. Duct tape is always good. Alright, back to Cataclysm. Apparently the meat for sounds the best. Guess we'll carry that around instead. Oh, I know the butcher knife's fine. Okay, already did that. Check for books. I don't remember. We have not done this house. Okay. Hold on. Something else I just realized. I don't have any sound. Why we don't have sound? Unpacks. The other installed. The audio is not muted. Yeah, I knew there was stuff that was off. Flames at 50. What the heck? Enabled. Alright, well, I'll figure that out after this episode. Let's, try to listen to some music. 1 second, I'll load up some music. Oh, that's why. Whoa! Okay, found the problem. Found the problem, everyone. For some reason, it had swapped over. Oh my gosh, that is loud. Chest hole is loud as heck. Okay, sorry about that. Whoa, okay. I found the problem. For some reason, it swapped over to my TV's audio, and my TV is muted. Alright, so we close down the as I'm about to have. We got the atmospheric Cataclysm music. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay, sorry about that, everyone. I don't know why stuff's being dumb. Well, it's the first episode of the stream, so of course something's gonna go wrong somewhere, somehow, for some reason. Alright. Yeah, this is gonna be an extra long episode, just for you guys. Just for you that stuck around. Alright. Don't know what I'd be looking for in here anyway, to be honest. Tool belt. That'll work. Maybe. Books. Books are always nice. None of this has books, unfortunately. Duffel bag is nice, just to have an extra bag source. Just in case. The north. Okay, no, my vehicle's off to the left. That's right. Oh, whoops. Oh, hi. Yeah. Gold coin. We're probably gonna get a few of those things. I don't know. I just wasn't interested in that mod. Wasn't doing me any favors of being fun. What you got? Oh, you were poor. I'm so sorry. I'm very poor right now myself, so I understand. Oh my gosh, would you guys stop? Oh, hi. Sit here. Let's not fire at myself. I got you. Yikes, Rooney. Old doggo packle. Alright, is that everyone? Oh, holy crap. Alright, is that it? Is that all? What do we got? Magnum, hatchet. Ton of clothes. Not much that I care about right now. Trench coat. Oh, that's that. Oh yeah, that's the dead guy. Okay, well that was this. Any books? And Radio Illustrated, which we have already read. Ooh. Candle. That. Use it, so why pick it up? Okay. Unfortunate. Bristol. They have fun. Crap. Realized what I did. Alright. Plastic chunks. Power converter. Electronics, I think. I think there's a new type of headlamp. These zombie cows. Bloody zombies! on, bleed out. Don't make me waste a bullet on you. Thank you. Eight? It might need to be 8. I don't know. Maybe I don't have the right book for it. Bad day. Maybe I need to get my fabrication and or tailoring up. I could build. That'd be a thing. Something I need to do anyway. Okay. Where are we gonna spend the night? Guess we'll spend it over here. Now I know that. Those windows are busted. Okay. We'll spend it here. I haven't really thought about what I want to do next. Like, I'd like to get better gear. I think I'd like to find another lab. Especially now that we have computer 8. I think that would be good. I'd like to try and get the atomic headlamp if I can. Just while we're waiting to wake up, I'll look up how to get it. Atomic headlamp. Oh, survival. What? Chronix 2 survival 3. What? Okay. Yeah, thank goodness it's Friday. My survival skill's not that high though. My survival's 2. What? Chronix is 8. Survival's 2. Look that back up. Hang on. Auto learn. Weirdness. I need to get my survival skill up, but then I'll learn it or something. I might not have the book for it or something, or garbage like that. Mechanics 3. Speaking of getting skill up. Can't do anything because I can't find a friggin' mechanic. Roar. Need a survival book too. We outdoor adventures. Need something. Rival to 1 important. Wrong box. Anyway, oh, that's why. Basically. Do. Oh, there we go. Alright. So, let's go south, I guess. Find a military vehicle on the way, that'd be nice. We'll see. Definitely wouldn't mind, you know, Humvee or an APC, just some sort of military vehicle with heavier frames. It's not like massive, that has good cargo capacity already. Oh yeah, even if I find one of those, the thing is, I won't be able to get the frames off of them and stuff. Wrong window. Unforked village. Let's speed past that. And then go back. See what kind of insanity is back here. Oh, for it. Oh, for it. Oh, all the for it. Alright. That was not what I expected at all. Okay. Target. The other guy will bleed out before he gets to me, so will he. So will he. Make me waste a bullet on you. There you go. Archer's trying to get me. On the sound of it. Not wasting another bullet on you. Go grab some more ammo. Oh, YouTube, I should end the episode here. This has been a longer episode like I promised, but I still need to end the episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you've enjoyed any dimension of this episode. See you next time. Bye-bye.